Introducing the all-new BYD Sealion 08, the brand's new flagship full-size electric SUV, measuring 5.1 meters in length. Designed with bold proportions and positioned for both domestic and global markets, the model highlights BYD's latest advancements in EV architecture and battery technology. Under the hood, dual-motor all-wheel drive versions deliver up to 643 horsepower, putting the Sealion 08 firmly in performance SUV territory, with an estimated 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration time of under 5 seconds. It is expected to use BYD's next-generation 130 kilowatt-hour Blade 2 battery in high-voltage platform, supporting both strong performance and rapid charging capability. Range is a key headline figure, with claims of up to 900 kilometers on a single charge, placing it among the longest-range electric SUVs announced to date. Depending on configuration and testing cycle, some projections suggest the platform could approach even higher figures. Guys, what do you think about the new BYD? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.